Question number 27 on the writing and language portion of College Board's Test 5. At this point, the writer is considering adding the following sentence. Crowdfunding tends to attract contributors from a wide variety of professional fields. Should the writer make this addition here? Let's read for context. Artists such as these Brooklyn performers find that crowdfunding exacerbates problems that already exist. So this is paragraph talking about, I guess, problems of this crowdfunding. Work that is easily understood and appreciated is supported, while more complex work goes unnoticed. Okay. Crowdfunding tends to attract contributors from a wide variety of professional fields. Okay, I don't like on how we're talking about a specific issue in this paragraph, and then all of a sudden we're going to introduce this. Crowdfunding attracts contributors from many diverse professional fields. It's like, okay, what does that have to do with the issues of crowdfunding? Now let's read for the sentence after where we put this sentence. Time that could be used creating art is spent devising clever perks to draw the attention of potential contributors. Again, this is discussing the problems or the drawbacks or the fact that some aspects of crowdfunding exacerbate problems that exist in these difficult spaces. So I don't understand on how zooming out and talking about crowdfunding tends to attract contributors from a wide variety of professional fields. We're not picking up this aspect of professional fields after this, because then we just go back into saying people are spending all their time creating gimmicks rather than creating art. So professional fields, where they come from, is not that relevant in my opinion here. But these answers are always going to be answered not with the yes or no based on what you feel, but the reason behind the yes or no. So let's take a look at A. Yes, we should add this because it gives more information about the people who donate to crowdfunding campaigns. Not really. It does, but it doesn't. It doesn't, like, not only thematically in the paragraph it doesn't make sense because we're talking about the problems of crowdfunding. We're not actually elaborating on who these professionals are in this paragraph. We're not. So even though A might be true, it's like it gives more information about the people who donate, it actually maybe in a way doesn't, because we actually don't know who these variety of professional fields. We don't know who these people are in the professional fields. I think it cuts both ways. Not to mention it doesn't make any sense in the context of the paragraph. What about B? Yes, we should add this because it reinforces the writer's point about the funding of artistic projects. It reinforces the writer's point about the funding. It doesn't reinforce the writer's point. He's saying that the crowdfunding in this case exacerbates problems in this paragraph or makes problems worse that were already there. So I don't understand how it reinforces the writer's point about the funding of artistic projects. What about C? No. And this is more where I feel comfortable, like the no, even though, again, you can't answer it based on the yes or no. You have to read everything. I feel more comfortable saying no, we shouldn't add it here because it's out of context. No, because it fails to take into account project funding received from public institutions. Why do we care about that? Why do we care about public institutions or what that matters here? We're talking about how crowdfunding exacerbates problems. What about D? No, we should not add this because it blurs the focus of the paragraph, good, by introducing a poorly integrated piece of information. Yes, it's poorly integrated because it doesn't integrate into this topic whatsoever about the crowdfunding problems. The answer at number 27 is going to be D. We shouldn't add this. It's way off topic. It's too broad, and it ultimately doesn't fit with what the paragraph is about, which is the problems of crowdfunding. The answer number 27 is going to be D.